It's being dredged at the moment. This is all going to be dredged. I think they've just started it as part of the restoration of this canal through. But a trip boat has come up here today. It's the first time a trip boat has got up here for 50 years, I believe. I think it was 72, I think, maybe, the last time it happened. Yeah, it came up and has followed down. So there is a video, either they're all going to be there soon, of Perseverance it's called, running up and down the canal in different bits. I will be doing some trip boat videos. I spoke to some people today about it. So we'll do some cruising videos down here as well. It's probably, I don't know if we get up here with the cruising. But yeah, so all this stuff anyway is where the boats come up. The locks have been opened. It's pulled all stuff through and up, and you'll see it bubbling. There's fish loving it over there, feeding off it and stuff.